Eh? That's I say. I want some youth. Them think them can't tell me for fool. I want thing I want to tell you know. I'm me rule. When you love a man, he takes you for granted. A time to make you feel not wanted. When you love him, you play with your heart. Sometimes you just have to stay apart. It was easy for me to love you, so easy to look in your eyes. Even easy for you to hurt me, and so easy to ignore my cry. I don't wanna lose you. You're a part of my being, but how can I survive when you're so mean? I just wanna tell you, I can't take it anymore. You had me, baby. Now let me not pet no guy, me not give them no.
Take it right up, I can put some energy in it. Take it.
Shrug up, I'm tired.
Remember, I tell the rehearsal.
I'm kind of hungry now.
Or if you're hungry in the rehearsal.
The rehearsal thing now work out now.
You see that? Why I don't like working on no man? It's too damn delicate.
And what do you mean by that?
You gonna go forget something.
If discriminate, I discriminate against me, Trevor. Around the gender thing for me. Everyone watch your mouth, you know.
So you get not go out in the rehearsal.
This is my talent. And you nobody can't take this from me. Yeah, yeah, Trevor. I don't like how you talk to me now. You're violent. I'm not in no more music for you. Come like you want a lawsuit.
It come like you forget to use the contract with me.
What I cancel the contract?
Cancel why you can't cancel the contract.
Boy, hold on! Look at that stuff in blast out. Every day I'm doing it. Reverse and reverse and reverse. What tournament?
Mr. Victor, listen to this. And they told the Ansha Rising Star. And they see me. And you want to call the contract. No, hey boy. No, I think of something big.
You think of something? Trevor, you smart. When you say you want something big, check me.
What I said, I may sing. It's barely one note. Coming off, thing I just kind of under there.
Trevor, she hungry for true.
You come past that together. I'm going to show you backside.
No, come sue me, Trevor, come sue me. My target for 2 steps, so let's give you a lawsuit time.
Any lawsuit are going on me. It must be me who got so much spatters inside there. Creating nice pollution. It seems that you are suffering from intellectual depravity. On your brain is infected with termites. Trevor, how you done that? Are you a singer? You know the difference between baritone and treble? You know what they call a bridge? They told them come together because one can't sing and one can produce. So the producer produce and the singer sing. Facts. You have any food instead of young give feed? Give feed? Now Kingston will come from this.
Yeah.
So what you want to eat?
Well, me don't like a double whopper with everything. I mean, sugar with extra fries.
You hear that, Trevor? Me don't cook that round there. All me have round there is cassava.
So you're not coming?
I just threw my hungry because you know I'm not going away with you.
Tap. Give me this.
I want to know. When you look so, I don't have to look to somebody anything when I do me I watch.
Yeah. It's a station performance, yeah? I can't go by the people who sing a tongue, so. I just want to love you. You're back here. Do you take it and put some vibes in it if you can't do it?
I just want to love you.
Hey, Tap. Give me this, move. You ever see this at performance? You ever see this at the performance that's singing and I go, I want to take a piece of food here. My girl, as I eat that thing, you can't hold mic so. You was chanting. You have to hold this up. Next time, this hand work with the bands. This when you go so, the bands go level. And the hand work with the crowd. So when you start singing, because it was the band. Hey.
I trust them. Sometimes
That's time I feel man. All me want you feel. We sing and one. Try that. If you can't, you go.
I just want to love him.
Tap. Give me this. Yeah. Just go, man. Take a minute and go. You really want more money?
True, it's not about money.
You want more clothes? You want to get your fashion design?
It's not about those things.
So it's not about money, not clothes, but the boxing and singer when you I want to take you.
You know, I realize that nothing matters to you other than your business.
My business is a producer. As a producer, I know everything sing and wine. If you can't do it, guy.
But I've been rehearsing.
What are you there for? Nothing more. Hey.
You know, I knew what I wanted to get into when I started singing, you know. I just did not know getting into your bed would have caused so many problems. True, when I came to you, I had no boyfriend. You approached me and that's how this all started. But this is not working out, alright? It's just not working out.
Hello. You think me cannot tell the promoter that this is not working out? After me collecting my money for you, go for a stage, you must say now work, but I want to take a girl here. Take this.
But Trevor, when we met, it was about love.
My God, just relax.
And friendship. Not about music and business. This music thing was incidental to you, no Trevor. I've always wanted to sing. You only started producing when you heard me sing. But as I said before, this is not working out. Things have changed.
You're damn right. Things have changed. I do not mix business with pleasure. And you are business. Sing and wine and die.
Trevor, why you have to be so insensitive?
And when you be so blessed and professional, wait till me when I preach up that.
Trevor, I'm pregnant!
a liar tale. No, it's liar.
You do what? Pregnant for you.
You have a nerve asking me such a question.
But any doctor you know, you tell him to get that. He get away.
You know, through my talent, I gave you most of the money that you have. I am the one who built your label. Trevor, you tricked me into thinking that I was the only girl I know I'm pregnant for you.
He get away to
You know, the best talent that I have been given is childbearing.
So me notice.
And now you are asking me which doctor I know. You ask yourself which doctor you know, because the only person who's a frigging doctor is you.
Then Cherry, come here, my friend. I'm concerned about you. Why you bother to breathe for you and condom and give you a hard like light bulb? That's why you breathe!
No, sir. Me can't believe this. Me can't believe this. Dump in my yard. Heartbeat. You know, set up in here.
So you never know say you're your auntie.
You know, a 9 of you man running down last night.
I lie you tell you.
The poor Jesus. What will I run from them? They have to run from me.
You're not so young gone bad man, you want more grapefruit and cream soda.
Penny, part 8. Hold the shop around.
Hey, you're a party. You know, say $350,000 I sell from here, come here.
How you ask?
$350,000. From the come here, people just come from all walks of life. You see things are one fish up and things are one.
That good man. You know seven recipe?
Thank you, Jesus.
I'm going to get $3,700. I'm going to put on 100% for your pay.
No, we deserve it for true, God. We deserve it, man. You know,
True.
we deserve it.
You know?
Yeah.
From this week, I'm going to put on $500 more for your pay.
God bless you. You're a good heart in all, man.
Yes.
You know one thing we do, you have... Yes, sir, where I go?
I said I'm going to raise up here. I put on $500 this week. On how it work. $500 more. No, I'm serious.
No, man, I don't think you hear what you're saying.
You never expected I get so much.
You don't hear what you're saying, so I'm going to beg you shout what you're saying.
$500 more.
You mean to say that all the work I put into this is $500 you give me? $500! Don't do my waste, my
Oh my God. Heartbeat. I'm flabbergasted. Imagine me saying I give you 100%. I'm a change I give you $500. I'm saying no. And $100, $500, and 500% that you damn fool.
But you're ugly me no money. But it's alright, you don't have to give me no more. I know from it, man.
Sorry.
Heartbeat.
Yeah.
Are you sorry there?
More.
Sorry.
Story. Bring one star to come give me.
Yo, old boy, we now run a chorus service, and if I want to start, you have to come first.
Oh my God. Me not read that. Oh my Jesus. A damn thing you want? Me not read that. Mercy. Me not read that. What you know? Pilot get caught having sex in cockpit. No man, this how we are? Chucky cut. What I mean, some more cockpit. So this pilot get caught having cockpit on the front of the plane. Yes. But what you know? They told him how many people do you know?
Hold on, I'm reading.
But how they not put their name?
So where you want to put them name?
If you know who the black picture is?
You're talking about my colleague. Stop it, Kevin. Stop it!
Your colleagues are worthless. Hey? You see, if that boy was my son, hanging himself. I fire them on fire.
Yes, this is instant fire, yeah.
Well, like, what am I fire, man? You depend on me. That's who call you back.
No, Papa. Me depend long leave.
Long leave with pay or without pay?
No, with pay.
Oh, because I want to know the room I'll pay for.
Man, how is the camera man with them, man? Shopkeeper.
Where you want?
You don't read the star yet?
No, bring it come here. So some things that go in their word. They can't come here.
Oh, very good. You won't read this one because you're about to know your word. You know? Oh yes. I need to see the background.
Give me. Hello, go do your blood test and come back. I need. Go do your blood test.
Put yourself over here. Nico, man, you step on my shoes, you know.
Nico, what? Nico. Release me. Release me. Hello. You can't find so much to go sweet. The attention you're busy.
Nico, so this is how you can't handle the mess you left your family, no?
What mess are you talking
Don't
about?
speak to me, you extramarital affairs specialist.
I know, walking dictionary, slow down, man.
What are you doing here, Beanie, huh? Seeking refuge in your father's house for you and your so-called girlfriend?
Stop your rubbish and go home.
You need to shut your mouth.
Stop it, right?
Shut up. Go inside right now and get things alone. Just throw you in the car right now. What?
Turn up here. How are you turn up here? Nico, what are you going to turn up here? Yep. Aye. Harvey, what's your turn up here?
The luggage.
You don't go see that come here. I'm let's invite you. I want to get what you want.
Relax.
Relax.
Let me deal with it.
Calm down, Mr. Eviction.
Oh.
I came over here to straighten the whole
I don't
thing.
see it now. Don't
What did that mean? Straighten out.
Hey!
What's happening?
Hey, what you do? Hey, don't do it! Don't let him say, this is an old man. Don't do it, man. We come with something that don't show.
Harvey,
Yeah.
are you slick me?
No, because your body numb.
As a matter of fact, I get to understand that you have a woman sleeping with you there, you know.
What's wrong with you? Lie!
That's
Give
okay.
me that.
You know.
Okay then, I want to go and see for myself.
Of course.
Which one do you sleep inside? How much you find him on? Oh, tired.
Bruce, what are these doing inside of your room, huh? I'm going to fix your business.
You do that! Come on! Do that!
My mother was so right about it. She was right all along. You can have that piece of rubbish, you know. Don't even think about coming to my house to see my kids anymore.
Hey, Nicole! If I shot a two box of chat, you know what your chat said? You know I love my children. Don't you play with them in this place. Don't you?
I will be fine.
Juki,
It's my bird.
go on with that shall file for you.
You see, from all the trauma you put me through life, you deserve to be punished. Just speak to me. Your things will be in storage and you can pick them up next week. Because this weekend, I'll be going on a vacation. Not in your car and leave with you. Bunny baby, you will drive the other car, okay? Oh.
Bunny, bunny! No, like that, baby.
Read your pasta.
You can't read it. Come with the picture.
No,
Don't say no more. Don't say no more. Aye, come here, nastiness. You come here. Come on, there. See it. Like time and dirty work.
No, Juki is the bird. Are you the catcher? Juki is the bird. You can't win a master gun sky down. Juki is the bird. You couldn't wait till I come on earth. Juki. Yes. All you love.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're feeling any turbulence, please be reminded that the pilot is in the cockpit. Okay. We don't continue in the life one day for a long way to take off again. Outside and bright. Give me that. Move. Outside. feel like it having cobwebs. So. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Your thingy, man. You drop on your mouth. Oh, God. Tell me something that hurt you. Look here. You have the health card? All your mouth supposed to look a little bit sour. No, man. Look here. Then you just saying that I get to camphor ball, make you go on so. I seen them come here, man. Poor thing. Hello, come here, come here. Stop thinking of yourself. I might make fat and crawl out of bed. You sure you're not mad? Yeah? Oh God, I seen them something, poor thing. Your body dusty, man. May I beg you to do something for me? So when the producer come out, don't smile. Keep him out, so. Go out of my face, man. Jesus, you couldn't even surprise me and put low voltage in your mouth. Eh? Straight blackout you are walking. Producer! Come here! Keep your body quiet now, man. You have to go to the big man place. I wonder if you were tired. Huh? Tripod.
Never ask you what I done.
Tripod, you don't take the time invalid too much. Tell me something, are you alone going to do the video? Are you alone going to do the video?
Yo, Cherry!
Yeah.
Come, tripod and the video, man.
Egypt, what show with you? Come here, you come. Come walk in this cupboard. You come up here, son. Sit down. Chest up. Too much chest, my love. You know. Trevor is when the cameraman come here, so walking in. When the cameraman come here, so walking in shot. Cameraman when walking, you shoot him. Production assistant. Pencil pine body, come over here so you want sharpen. Juki, you remember?
Yeah, man.
Lights, camera, music. Wind up your body. Wind some more. Wind harder. Wind. Yeah, wind. Wind with attitude. So where you stop for? Do you know what you stop for? Cut! What you do? What me tell you for shoot? Me tell you for shoot pigtail Alaska mackerel.
Don't make me hear it. You sure know yet?
Eh?
Man, you sure know yet?
Yeah, I know, I do. I'm not telling you, I'm DPH night already.
So why you cut for? Why you stop for?
A cherry, why she wine like them star child?
My girl, it's a video here. You see the detail of the week. You hungry? You want some water? Yeah, surely.
Cameraman, don't zoom in on nobody.
Zoom in and pay attention.
And cherry, boy, you move down Trevor like a German way.
Hell no.
What you say, whatever?
I said hell no.
Because Trevor tell the same people stupid is. Over there, sir. Lights, camera, music. Wind up your body, naturally. Wind up some more, man. Wind up, man. Wind up, man. So let's start, man. Cherry. Don't in the glasses. He said, you make the man in the middle, lick your back, you know, man. Lick your back.
Yo, come here.
Trevor, don't call me so strong, I'm afraid of you.
You may talk to you.
You know, someone connects with not no sense.
What is the problem?
Don't push me, don't do them something. Hey, don't run them serious, man. This is the man I'm born.
What problem? How on? Talk to me, what problem? Where you stop over? Let me just say cut, I want.
Juki,
What am I doing?
why must you want to back in now? Come here, camera. Supposedly make the man shoot me, that shoot you back in now.
Yo!
So,
How on?
I love you.
Yo, see you? Make sure you start right here. Yo, my people ready? Your people ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Come on, man, you that most ready. Somebody come over your arms.
And see next time is a cut. Because of the light.
Whatever you sound like, drop your shoe. Lights. Camera. Do what you want to do. Right. Enough is enough. Put them back. Just put them back. Enough is enough. What are the camera? Steady your body, steady your body. Too much vibration in your body. Come on. Get him! Stop drawing from the camera. Trevor, you're not proud. The video acting man, God, no, I feel it. No, I love it. Oh, God. How come the camera not turn on? God.
Baby. Honey. Sweetie. My darling boo-boo. Trevor. Trey. Trevor.
Yes?
Baby out there.
How on?
Listen, baby, get me an orange juice, please. Not too hot, not too cold, with a straw and some ice.
I can't believe this. Pops the lady. How walk this man around? I ain't just knowing that. I ain't just knowing that. Then I'm not juice on the syrup. Strawberry. Eve. First family of fine food.
Throw away Curtis girl from here.
If you know, see, I come and look at me.
You know you have no respect for me. Is this how you plan to run your business?
I get me father sleep and you talk.
How are you going to concentrate on cementing my career when you're spending so much time with that teenager?
Don't write yourself. She need to win some. Don't do that again.
You must think before you act, you know. I will not be in any competition with any teenager.
They didn't beat it with a beer gun, Cherry. I want you. We have to have someone that wants some bad for Cherry. Eat it, man.
I listen. I just come from Bembe and I want to sleep.
Hey. Cherry, I want one more time where me say, you know what, I feel me trying.
Baby, give me the card.
Jamaican.
You should not have come out in the first place.
No, where's that? Where was that?
Some like when Cherry died. At lunchtime, you got hot.
Just,
You want to say something?
No.
just.
And you make sure whenever you're going anywhere, you check if I'm here before you move.
Baby, walk away from Jamaican here. Hey, girl, my name is Fred McGann. Do it again. That damn right. Listen up. I'm a producer. A professional producer. And I do not mix business with pleasure. Remember that, yeah?
How much of a professional are you? When you do this kind of thing to me, the only female artist on your label. Why all you producers have to behave like this?
Are we producers? You want a new producer? You want a producer?
And my basket a year loaded.
Girl, Miss Seminar mix business with pleasure. And you are business. Where? Go.
Trevor, I'm having the baby.
You know what?
She's still a brain.
Me not give money to the abortion. You couldn't take 2 blasts of pill. You couldn't drink some water and take 2 blasts, never take yourself.
Wait, you think you're surgery me?
Ask her, boss.
All you have to do is take 2 pills. Drink some water and take 2 pills.
Hey.
No.
Maybe just explain.
No.
How where puss come from, man?
Trevor, did I hear right just now?
Yeah, you're damn right, Jeffrey.
Yes, you heard right. I'm having his baby. Are you having one too?
Baba, a long time you wait for it. Are you having one?
Miss Guinness.
Let her go.
Her name is Cherry.
Trevor, shut up.
But she didn't get it.
You know, Miss Guinness maybe don't understand the difference with you and I now.
She named Cherry.
Shut up. So, Miss Guinness, allow me to explain it to you. Unlike you, Miss Guinness, my body is pure. And I'm untouched, and Trevor can testify to that. In other words, Miss Guinness, I'm what you would call a virgin. What are you?
Poor.
Do you think I would lay my body careless like you did?
Oh, shut up!
Yeah, do your best. Let her go, man. I'm in the girl war. Outside and right. You can't get her and you can't come here for one beat the regular. How about you? Outside, how about you, Trevor? You have to be careful, man. Outside and right.
Trevor, you know what's right in making love to you?
Trevor, you don't get it?
Why did you not tell me you were having an affair with your singer? Huh? What, you were waiting for the leaf that fell to the bottom of the river to rot before you say something to me?
Big shot, my girl. Big shot.
I say fiction, don't understand it now.
Hold on. Me don't understand. Heartbeat! You understand what I'm going to do?
My mouth slippery.
You know, this is the first man I'm taking seriously.
True.
The first man I dated. Because my mother walked out and then all I had was him.
Oh my.
You know, Mr. Fiction, my mother used to warn me about all these things.
You surely stay, woman.
Your day is coming, Trevor. Don't worry. Your day is coming.
Well, Trevor, thanks to Pankan. Guinea left. Guinea! I feel man now.
Of course, my friend. Yeah. But so me have something to tell you. Yeah, man. We have a plan for the trouble, you may say. Of course, when man forget Colin, they're our friend. No. Yeah. No, you're not talking. You know the money thing already. No. I'm repeating to come. Yeah, no.
You listen to me and give me the garbage. Your business that you never taste something your way. Outside.
Hey, you lady, come here. One, two. Hey, don't stand there and do it. Please, lady. You finish rehearsal? I just try to say the back up and church over there, yeah? Where you start? Stop saying my blast, you know?
Trevor, me uncomfortable now.
The hairstyle was uncomfortable.
Me not playing second floor with Cherry. Me not in the backup singing business. I can sing just like Cherry, but get her. Me want my own solo career.
Hello, it's back up. Me carry you back. Hold on. You want to start walk before you creep?
Me a creep long time before me know you. By the time me taste run, me a run. Me say me not in the backup singing business. Me's a strictly upfront singer.
But it's back up. Me carry you back. And the back up you're going to do. When I do that.
Well, you hear me, Mr. Trevor the Cat, man. I don't need for the rest of now. I have my fashion design thing I want for me, that Trevor. No, it's not like when you used to come in your back room. Believe me right now. I'm someone my own solo album. You know what solo mean? That mean me one.
Then you want to go back up?
Trevor, is there a problem?
No, not going.
Of course there's a problem. Just like you, Mr. Good Singer with a good band and a good vibe. And just like you don't want no backup singing, more of my own solo album, that is the problem.
And this is my business, and I say back up, you're going to do. Back up.
And me say nah,
Why is she behaving as if you two have something going?
bitch. Have something going.
Baby, what does she mean?
Ever since I stopped allowed to get my goodies.
Trevor, you had a sexual relationship with her?
That was a long.
Hello! When I was stepping out, I said, so far, I'm not trying to work for me to work. You may never do it in a life. Eh? When you want me to lose the work? Tell me something. You seem to be the acme around here. But remember, this is my space. Yahoo! My girl, you look good to me right there. Shape her in the field. No girl, me there for back here. Okay. Oh my, the bag of cry can't hold. Back up here though. Like it, love it, love it.
Trevor, you had a sexual relationship with her?
I just explained to you that that was a long time ago.
2 weeks can be a long time. It depends how we start the fence is standing on.
That was one careless night, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks? 2 weeks, Trevor? As in 14 days?
So it depends on the same time.
But we've been dating for 4 weeks, no, we're not.
No, man, Trevor. It's boss your ball over you. And then you me ball over you, my best stomach camera gonna build you, camera monster, man.
Don't psychoanalyze me.
Yo,
Hey, girl.
check.
I'm always seeing a potential friend, you know. Don't turn in.
Back up.
Wait.
Cherry!
president. Me I want my money and me I pay my rent. And that's how me independent. Me I pay me say eviction for room and me I stay around the back. So when I say Trevor, you know, Mommy, Trevor eviction, you know, occur.
Well, you listen to me, Miss Occurring. The child was somebody for other places, so I can't put out and get me ready. Remember that? Okay.
Hey boy, don't tell about the abortion, you know. Respect Trevor. Thanks. No, you let me know, but still a while.
You can't get here,
I'm still here, I'm still. Come on, you don't know where they are.
After all, man, damn fool. Eh? Oh, I said damn fool. You hear gunshot of fire. And you are behind him. Damn fool. But Trevor don't easy. He have a license firearm and make man cover to him. You mad man. Sir! What you want? 2 early morning condom. Condoms married to Wrigley's. You can't do another. Who is that?
Hello?
Hello, the gate is open. Oh,
Hi, sir. Morning.
hi, ma'am. Morning.
Sir, can you call Trevor for me, please? Thank you.
Well, Trevor's not here this moment.
Sir, show us inside there because it's really important that I speak with him today.
After
We
my
have to-
son. And if he's not there, he's not there. Yes, ma'am. I'll tell you something. You have an appointment to see Trevor.
Well, sir, you see, there was...
Make I tell you something about Trevor. You see, if you have an appointment to see him, you won't see him. You see, if you don't have an appointment to see him, you will see him. That's how he works.
Okay.
You want Trevor have anything for him? Is Trevor touching you? Oh, they're making a little joke, you know. Trevor is my son and he likes to touch.
Sir,
Yes, dear. Oh, boy.
Sir, can I bring you back to him, please?
You couldn't be saying you're afraid. Hi, lady girl! Lady girl! Listen up. And one time a day I flush my toilet, don't flush my toilet. Hi! Lady girl! Listen up. You see the roll of tissue? Don't use it if it's serving for the month. Hi! Lady girl! Don't turn on the pipe and wash your hand. Water it down now. Hello!
You know the change the right side!
What do you mean the change the right? Don't tell me fault. Eh? A 5 pound of rice you buy. And you give me $1,000 and then give me $1,000 check. What do you mean the change the right? You can't check. No. After all, that's how I want somebody.
Good morning, Mr. Eviction.
Fine, darling. No more pissing. No more pissing. Piss on the yard before we come up in this yard. I'm telling you, don't
Mr.
come
Eviction. I did not come here to hear about your domestic affairs.
Oh.
I am here to find the man who calls himself my husband.
Nicole, what the hell you here? For you and took you by a big house for the first time, I said type on you. Me not see him.
It's been almost 3 nights now, you know. And I don't hear no one word from Juki.
Well, Juki is a pilot. But in a land plane down here.
I tried to call him on his mobile phone, you know. But he's not taking any of my calls.
Nicole, you and Juki worthless alike. Burn up a feather. See ya. Come out of me here before cause bad. Do you hear me tell you?
You know I'm not surprised you're behaving this way. This should never flies far from the block.
No.
Your son is almost a perfect clone of you.
How many? Yeah, I want you come. I come, you come, I want you fix you. Yeah, you come to me, you come, I'll take the boy out there. Nicole, do me some nice service. You hear me?
How dare you, Eviction, to stand there and refer to me as gal?
Oh.
You men all treat him the same way. Like father, like son.
Nicole, you forgot. Juki was a little boy. When you come in, you come running down. You damn pervert!
Juki was 70 years old when I started to talk to him, you know.
That no matter. Juki was a virgin. My little Adam. And you him coming and come give the damn bottle for him.
Mr. Eviction, I am going to warn you. If you are adding any of Juki's assets around there, it's not going to help him.
Oh.
So you can tell Mr. Juki that his so-called flight attendant must be able to take him and throw him out.
I see.
Look at all those years I give to Juki.
True.
Look at Abijo and the kids back home.
You sure them of him?
And he had to go down to the airport and embarrass me like that.
Nicole, I wish Patrick can find you. Now airport. After all.
Juki has made the biggest mistake of his romantic life.
Yeah, I tried. You're the unluckiest one. I was going to sleep on the backside. Hello! Man, your backside, welcome. Sorry, Pastor. Oh my gosh. No. Is that you, Pastor? No. Yes, sir. I want man always come back with something, man. Name baby, yeah. All right. You have you here? Yes, man, the one that did get the job. Put him on for me, man. Hello, son. Are you want the job? All right. You know where you find me? No, just go in half a 3 square, man. Go upstairs at the bus place there. Buy your ticket and take the bus. How you mean you don't have no money? Well, all right, go up there and tell them to trust your ticket now. And then lock up your backside.
Yo, Pops.
Eh?
Come here. You're going to go that gate.
You always get sitting at the other trouble. Trevor, who you stay, sir, man? I saw trouble. You're right. Trevor, you get my Benz.
Yep.
But they look clean, man.
They wash it.
So them thief you watch and bring it back on here?
Yep. You're good. Pops, when Nicola do it?
Trevor, you should ask your father. Mr. Nicole coming here with about 10 girls there and I've come here. With back and all them things that was police, you see. And when I shot it 2 bucks, she had the girl run. See that boy there? I come to her, if you can't do the girl, sir. I lick it down.
Pops, me like that girl, you know.
I don't like her neither.
Where she want to go?
So she look fair, man. Juki.
Juki last?
I don't know, settle. Trevor. Trevor. You must be my best, son. But you have a prisoner.
No, man, I talk to the police already. I explain to them, say, I have a man thief my car, and I squeeze out 2 shots. They say, it's a license if I am here. I license to kill people now.
Trevor, you're going to prison. While if a kindergarten girl come to you, she in the bathroom and change her uniform.
Yeah, that's prison.
For what?
Pops, you're scooping in the house?
Me a scooping here?
Pops, how much time is there? Don't make scooping in the
How many she come to?
Me live there.
Oh! So we can't live here. I got you, Trevor.
And them khakis were there, we are full of people japping. You're getting fat up prison. Hi, baby. Come here. Pops, meet Winsor, meet my father.
Hi again.
Darling, when you doing cheese, sir?
My father believes you're underage. Tim's in underage.
Which farm you know, first or second farm?
I'm doing my first year in university. I'm studying journalism. And your handsome son here was nice enough to offer me the summer to jump for his birthday club.
Nice. I mean, taking pretty this from.
Baby, just go in the car with it. Over here.
Baby, don't stay
I
long.
won't be there, trust me.
You have a video shoot.
We know.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you
Yeah,
too.
you have a lovely home.
And you have lovely eyes too.
Hey, Pops, you know what she name?
What's your name?
Can't go a jail again. Hey, Pops, you remember my girl there?
You, Trevor?
Yeah, when I second long I start being myself, I start keep one per year. She's a nice girl.
All right, Trevor.
And she have this little cute body, you know?
You see, since you changed your life? What about the room we are renting for 3 months now? You're not paying the rent. You hear me say? I have the instrument them in there. So take out the instrument them.
Pops, that me come to talk to you about.
How will you bring the money?
I just come from the bank, you see, Pops. And the bank say must walk up and down with no more cash.
So
Check. No, Pops. You see this? This is the 3 months of my oil. And this one is for the 3 months of my oil. Now it's the blue here girl, the DJ one. Now once she stay up here. Because what I just left, she has to start to my yard now. And I can't keep 2 months of my yard. So you keep one and I keep one. And Pops, you see as long as you keep them, she can not change them. You get 15% interest every month per each.
15% interest?
Yep.
This is a cash plus.
I'm going to give one be like this. What you like?
Lord, listen, my son, light bill corner. Every day you tell them run the water, then run the water.
Light.
Then when you run the water, the light bill no go. $50,000.
50,000 of the light?
No, right, budget. $50,000.
Pops, can I tell you something? This is a device, yeah? You share them in the island.
How will you say?
Make a matter of 2. Later, everything you can tell some more, see me, yeah?
Alright. Well.
No man. Somebody pinch me. Then I hear some me wanna go work. What a place nice, see man. Oh, let me say no, that's the time for us to kill these people. How did you get that picture from? They must say that management theater.
Picture. Who you say you want?
Yeah, boy. Don't give me a warm time. Call him Vicky for me and come out of my vision.
Hi. Hello, young man. You have a lawn to cut?
How much you charge?
What damn face boy doing? You come to me here to sing from rain and call me yard boy. You know easy.
Are you going to say eviction?
You damn right.
No, God, you come in here to work and I'm going to get it here. Say eviction. I'm very sorry. Oh, when my father sick, I'm really
So you're desperate? When me no want no desperate from the man.
Lord, man, you can't run joke. It's a desperation that's what I mean.
Sit down. Hi! Not from the real. Young man, what did you do a while ago? Did you step over my rail? Step back over my rail.
You can't want to sell him house, Molly.
Hello, young man. So, are you come about the work?
Yeah.
Well, listen up. I run a wholesale, not a shop. And I don't want nobody come to my business place with no mix up and carry on people.
I don't want to try this out. Mix up a super sick my stomach.
Oh.
I mean, I like people who fast and people visit them for work.
Got to work with me. So, what is your name?
Ahmed.
You have any recommendation?
I today you have a read in every style.
All right. So what is the qualification?
Maths, English, accounts, computing, carpentry, woman.
All right. If you have so much qualification, how comes in our work?
You know, no, sir, so them three get up people already, man.
Wait, I can't get
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't say so. You think I could come from the ghetto? I'm from the city.
Wait. Which city?
Inner City, Kingston.
All right. Call it, say you get the work. How much a week you like for your people?
Yeah, me choose.
Yeah, man, choose.
But now the pressure is still based on how it's like for all my China thing. I just shot me go to all the board. I can't pay $50,000 a week. No, man, I'm overqualified for about rice and flour.
Young man, the gate open.
Then you got to get to there for me.
$50,000? Where the hell did you get $50,000 from? Eh? What teeth you want?
So you tax someone and go so bad for me, I can't negotiate.
Well, let me hear what you say.
You can't pay 30. Good God, man, I won't that I take off for you. You have a
30? You ever try to get work with the Cuban people then? For screwing light bulb?
Then how much you want pay, sir?
Minimum wage. $3,700 per week. Take it or leave it.
I can't say a question, sir.
Or 20 you want?
I want to come back and call my name to you.
Yeah.
I hear this, I'm hungry. You hear this, I walk with my belly and my hand. You see how far me I come from, I'm in a trouble people. I will burn down this person to me till I will go up and I'm going to wait. What is it? You know I'm going to drink syrup.
Back in here. Come back in here. If you think me afraid of you. And wait, what a face there, boy. You shouldn't run, man. Hey,
When you want me to start work, sir?
You're not gone yet. Tomorrow morning early.
My friend, you sure you can't put some more lads that you most can't put some... You say if I never hungry, all I bring you down 6'6". Look at my father's place. Come here, Bubber. Come here. Come here, Bubber.
Don't touch it.
What happened?
Yo, what? This good for on cruff.
What you talking about?
You? How are you doing?
Oh, yeah, me come look for you.
Friend, you and Nicole buy a big house at the first day I look for you.
Bubber, stop being foolishness, man.
He's a worthless boy.
Stop it, man.
You know what's Nicole come for you?
I wish I know now.
Don't ask me.
Listen, we're going through a small problem. We'll soon sort it out. Papa, I bring something for you. Oh, my Lord. I love you.
Me not left ya. Woo! It is so nice. Something alright. Nick will come look for Jokey. Then Jokey come look for me. Wow, something between him and you, man.
Woo! Papa, I was so thirsty. This is perfect. The ginger, immaculate.
Something alright.
This is good. You want some?
What are they? Jokey. How are you going to drink from?
In the fridge.
Jokey, don't drink it. You put drinks in it?
Papa, stop it, man. I'm your sons, okay?
Don't drink it. Tell me something. You have your water right there? You're being light with it. You think this is an in-flight service? When you're on your big fish and drink the champagne?
All right. I can put it back in the fridge.
Put back what? Put back what? Who am going to drink off for you when you put it back? I mean, I don't know where your damn dirty mouth to come from.
Okay.
I'm going to throw it to your damn mouth.
No, Papa, what is wrong with you?
Anywhere wrong with me?
Hey, I want to know what is wrong with you.
What do you mean?
Me?
Work my back off to send you to school.
You did?
That you become big pilot. I fly to here, Jamaica, American Airlines, Canadian Airlines. Are you remember me?
Don't chat rubbish to me here.
What do you mean?
You have never done anything for me.
Lie!
I'm me, school myself. The amount of shop when you brought to do that, you don't know about it, sir. The only thing that you did for me then is give me some rotten lips.
How did you come your box saying you could turn pilot?
No, why did I come?
You shouldn't come. He's a worthless boy. Imagine you're a big pilot. I'm here, and you're going to say one day, say, Pops, say a 50 grand, say a 50,000, I'll give you a 50,000.
You didn't use it to liar.
What do you mean,
Not 2 weeks ago, me sent 50,000 through Western Union for you.
Jokey, you send it through Western Union. You hear? Through Western Union. Yeah. You never send it to me. Me have to go to Western Union to get it. Damn, what is it? It's no good. Listen, I have a nigga drive bus. And every morning, about to get there. What my uncle? This flight paid over here. I wouldn't tap and say, what, Pops?
It's okay. I get the message. I'm gonna get out of here.
Leave, man.
I told it could work, but it's not.
Leave the place.
Oh, God.
Damn jacket.
What is that?
You're a jacket.
Remember that, here, remember that.
You
just taught me a lesson.
and you, I just took me to university.
Ugly lie.
Jacket. Jacket.
Hey, where was this umbrella there?
It's a leaf.
Nobody can go to the door. You're gonna get big door. Anyway, no, I can't. Really, brother. Hey, Pops. Whoever is in there.
I say it's a leaf.
I'm a good boy.
Yeah, money.
No.
Yeah, money.
No. I'm not telling you about it.
Trevor, your brother look good in
Hello, the rest of the come. Go inside. Never know there. Never. Oh, God. Yo, I'm a DJ. DJ? Yeah. So Tiro. Hey, Pops.
You understand what I said? Bro, just come here. You're my friend. And I 7 glasses of this cookie and drink in front of you.
You can ready to up here. I know the man me. I just realized that. Anyway, Trevor, I have a fridge in my yard full of drink. I'm going home. Trevor, I'm going home. Joking. Mary is a young guy. So you can't take the put it inside. Put it back. Don't you put it back. I'll check around the place. You know something? I got to say your jacket from. Remember I said Pop say your jacket. Me and Pop's favor, I do a jacket. Don't worry about him and he's soon dead. Soon dead? Hey.
Oh! That's why you come back here. Because me soon dead. Mr. Rebecca can see you. I tell your brother say me soon dead. Me? You dirty bitch. That's why you come back here. Trevor don't never do that. I know my son Trevor. He would never say a thing like that. I used to.
Joking. Why is that thing like that? And Pops, out your table me a jacket.
I thought you said, yeah. I thought you said.
You tell him we should wear a jacket.
I thought you said your brother a jacket. Well, who don't want to know who a jacket?
You tell him.
Make sure you know 100% for me. When you do their taxi.
shots.
Wait! Is what you're doing? Stealing the things out of the shop?
You see that thief don't show me, man.
So what is that?
I'm a friend get barrel and trouble can't close the baby keep the mess up.
Well, I want to see the receipt for that.
What you want to say?
The receipt!
But I never know say make it come to see it.
Well, Juki is my man. And he's the new owner of the shop. I'm not going to stand by and allow you to come run down the business.
Security camera! Stop zooming, Pam! Me lick you the focus in a girl.
Wait! You get promotion. Who promote you? Huh? Don't bright.
Tell me something. You know a man named Double Barrel from Duane Park?
Wait, what did you say a while ago?
Double Barrel from Duane Park.
What you know?
What?
You know? What you know? He was say you are old.
Never old encyclopedia for you. I mean, enjoy your jacket when you go clinic. Do me a favor, my love. Don't say I'm blind near it. Go on, I'm going to for me to do that either. Yes, so one star, I come over and some of them.
My friend.
Lord, you know your job. One thing you learn fast. I do one spar with
This
you.
little joke man on me. This little joke man on me. Can I go tell the Juki?
No, mama, I can't do that.
And you can take anything you want out of the shop.
Man, that's simple. Some of them could have never tell Juki for you.
Are you well?
Yeah, mama, just show him the album.
Why you not just saying that? Leah?
Is who that?
Is my husband there?
Oh, they are the planning, so. How you have to come here now, man?
It's me, Nicole, Juki's wife.
You can then come in here, man. We are not the poor.
Bruce? Bruce? Bruce?
Okay, I'm right. Lad, what do you smell, bro? Like a pop and star. You know, speak here.
You seem to be confused. I'm looking for Bruce.
Me confused. Bruce, I give you bun cheese and white milk. Yeah? I'm going to tell you something. But you say if you call back my name, you're going to lick in your back. She and your man fully there. At the time, they don't stop kiss up. Yeah. You're 7 no.
Nicole!
Yeah.
What are you
Doing-
So it's true, huh?
What?
This is the nasty life you want to live.
You call it nasty, but it's healthy for me, okay?
I am here to collect the money for the children. The mortgage, plus my maintenance right now.
You better tell to the court. I'm not giving you a red cent.
Our relationship is finished. Finito, okay?
How dare you to think for one moment that I will allow you to be planting my money with your Zootopek around there,
Who
huh?
you calling a Zudapek? I want to ask you a question. Who you calling a Zudapek?
You're little or habit.
Step out of my face before I lick off your chin.
Do it. Do it, Bruce Eviction, do it.
Don't tempt me. I will
Do it, Bruce! Bruce! Do it! Portia said, do it!
You need to put yourself right there now.
Step right here.
Nicole, election done on already. You lose your seat. Duke is my MP, so please leave the Prime Minister's residence. If you have a complaint, take it to the House of Parliament.
One sec.
Amadaka, Duke is my boy. And if there's a dispute between you and Duke, take us to the court. And remember, we don't speak to the press.
Wonderful. Well said, Papa.
You need to shut him out.
Shut up,
Shut
everyone.
up.
I'm not going to take no more licks, okay?
Say another word.
Aye. You know you can't fight. Just shut up.
I know you have a bank account in the Bahamas, in it. Plus, you're making lots of money from the DJ business. I need half of everything.
Half of what? Half of what? You think we don't know about you, little politician, man?
Yes, you crying politician, Kern.
Yes.
I give it trouble with them. Them are dirty people.
You say you are my life.
Sing louder, man. Sing louder. You can be telling me to breathe.
You say you want me for yourself.
Sing for your God.
You say you will
Trevor! Trevor!
Pass, we can't talk to them, man. Do something.
How you mean you do something? Tap your damn reversal and come on.
Somebody can't do it, man.
Every damn day they reversal.
Pops, let me tell you something. I rent the place for the rehearsal, yeah? As long as I do a rehearsal, you just don't disturb me, man. I don't rent the place, right?
You don't take for reverse.
Pops, that's what I rent the place for.
You have to talk to Rob and every day they reversal. I want to talk to you, man.
Alright, talk to me, Pops. What do you want? Hey, get up here, son!
Yeah. No, Trevor, I say you turn off your instrument.
Why, Pops, I'm frustrated, yeah, man.
What happened to you now?
Pops, you know, say, I'm more of to become a good producer.
Me know that.
I never have a profession.
I guess it's so.
Pops, the three girls we are working with, right? You see girl we're supposed to turn DJ, she wants to go dance. Right? The one we're supposed to write, she wants to singer. And the one good singer we have, she can read.
Then Trevor, who breed her?
Pops, the girl have a promotion make up and she have 2 album launch, and the best thing guy can go to is breed. She vocalist.
Who breed her? That may ask you.
Hey, Pops, if I miss her read, she not read.
Trevor, you better put that breed in the dog plate.
Pops, where you come with that? What you want?
Anyhow, we go to the doctor. And the doctor said to me, say, me alright. So may I leave you say, V, if you come back and check your prostate. So I said, Doc, nothing wrong with the throat alright. I mean, because, yeah, the throat alright.
Pops, your prostate in your throat.
What do you mean? Wait.
Pops, may I write that to you, right?
I show you, Vicky. Go check out the body. And your prostate and your throat. My father used to be my brother. It's, you know,
I want to.
him dead. But before you dead, never beg you do something for me. Work for me next week. I don't want video for Trevor. Don't freak out the day. I will pay. So nobody hurt up the head.
Alright, the dupes.
We got the man. We don't want to tell you business, man.
Me not tell you what you're doing. What you're doing.
What do you do that? Hey, Pops, get ready to go. Get ready to this again. What? Turn your.
I took it back. Well, hear me, son. Hear me, son. Turn on your radio. Hear me, son.
My commitment I give to you from this day I always be true.
I love you, baby, be true to me. No way.
Interfere. Hug him up again, Medea. Interfere. Hug him up. Medea. Hug him up. Yeah.
Cherry Tree and Took It Down on Stages Records with the #3 song on the top 10 chart.
Number 3!
Yes, Trevor, number 3. And by next week, it's going to be number
Hey, come on. I'm going to be give me. Hey, Abby, I will get a couple of CDs and give every slip to you from Bembe to Pasa here. Hey, girl, tell me something about this. Go to the next one. Hey,
But we have to be so abrupt at times.
What?
You cannot talk to me like that.
Cherry, go back inside and finish rehearsing the other song. Because tomorrow we have a video to do.
A video? Maybe I'm going to be on TV? Oh my God! Trevor, did you hire a full video crew?
No.
Trevor, I love you.
Move.
Cherry. No, Cherry, back to back now. Why you pour so much milk in the coffee and you say now get white? Jezebel!
Yeah.
Travel enough, hear me?
What a whole heap of power cause you are walking.
Girl, be waiting.
Trevor, give me my money and I'm go on, but
No, I'm gonna pay money, I'm gonna get you money.
I didn't deposit that will come first for the money. I'm not leaving until I get it.
Deposit. Oh, so you never read the contract? The contract says that for backup singers, it's one-time payment only, no residual.
I'm not talking about them, I'm talking about money, man.
Right? I need residual, girl. You know that sense. I'm talking about royalty. Look much things we do for you. Look much things we do for you anytime. Look much brother me by you.
Which burger?
No, it's true. I want it for birthday again. I mean,
You know, so the one that's giving us credit on the
don't do that.
Trevor, you keep on forgetting something that the rest of the girl when you chat to, you know. Me's a different type of girl. I want someone want my money, I have to get my money. But even money to go buy some material to make some clothes from around the squad.
I chew a skirt, I run it so it's a finishing line.
No worry, Trevor. I must get my money. One way or another, I must get my money.
Look at your bad man friend.
I ain't a cost, tell me what I want me to.
Long when you go get up and you come to
Watch your back, Trevor. Bad boy, Trevor, watch your back. I talk me down, Trevor. Run up on me like a big truck, you're a bad man.
No, kind of bad man
I said,
friend. You tell you all the bad man. Make us a shop. You tell him that. Tell him that. Double shot.
Aye. Come here, now, man, Trevor. I know, say you're not bad. You know you're your family. Right?
How much you know me?
No, but you know, sister, the girl make headline. You know what make headline too? Go to Africa, make a chiche about it. Oh, Jesus. I think they should have come before mad. Hey, Vicky.
Eh?
How are you?
You don't have to believe this.
No, man, tell me anything I may believe.
Every year I say this to you, you're a surprise.
Oh, God, not tell me say a time.
You never know, say, this could happen to me.
You man, it's to better than you, so take it with pride.
You say, me never know, so like this could happen.
You will not do.
Trust me.
You have put somebody in your space.
You better believe that.
No, man, go on, Vicky. You live long enough, go on.
He said, we're going to a doctor.
Yeah.
And when we go to a doctor,
Yeah.
the doctor said,
Yeah.
nothing wrong with me.
Oh, what a disappointment.
When me I leave a court, the girl at the front desk stop me. Tell them, $5,000 for me. $5,000 for
A
what?
private doctor. So you pay $5,000?
$5,000? $5,000 for what? I remember when I used to pay $50.
In a year, years. Get 12 and I can add all of the number them and see if you don't get your age. I would have man, that's why the neighbor them a chat and say, you mean for sure, man. You tough to look
$5,000.
Then you make it.
Eh?
Where the helper girl she there?
Ah, big. No make cheer, you can't help her.
I still news. The whole community knows the girl and helper. Hey, been afraid that she not as much as doesn't shape like a Reebok sign.
Well, don't make cheer for you.
I need that girl that. I want to go and ask you though. I don't know why you sit and she run down, but I understand you're blind, your vision is coming over. Age take over your eye. Hey, sometimes it's not admire, still everything. Or you defend that girl. There. Whoa! Somebody jerk me.
It's all your for upfront to work with Clean and Star.
Don't work with the hospital hospital is a psychiatrist.
And you say if you continue to use up your mouth, you're going to go on to the cider shop there and find yourself on the customer side of the counter.
You're very strong. I broke the girl broke, you know. I broke the but a chop and do his blow it and drop some. She broke, God knows she broke.
Hey, Punky boy! If you need a public counselor, me and woman, you better get used to that. Come let's see what comes up with a man shop like back here. As a matter of fact, even the shop here, fired.
Go fire your body. You know, she say you're not pop up. Don't draw my tongue. Because I'm not afraid of no girl, no boy, no dear, no. I'm a
Heartbeat.
What?
Cock. No. Kill. Cock.
Me not cock.
Everyone, don't make a phone call enough. Don't flip the switch.
Don't think you're here since big long time because you're public service in a malice. Pick your choice, Grace or New Park. Anybody ever want to look inside your side, you watch your brother over all my life, he will soon dead. Man cemetery. I'm not going to argue with you. I'm not arguing with you with furniture clothes. You don't see a clothes with our owner. That makes you a big chapus. You ain't the puff, sweetheart. Hey, girl. Hey, don't argue with the ear by your head. The ear by your head, one. She, where you want to do? Where you want to do? Where you can do? You can do. Where you want to do? And that must say, where you want to do? You want to come? Where? What you want to do? And I say, you will be tired. God knows. You're frightened now while I'm going to man. No one can see what's true. So my heart palpitates while I'm going to drink black coffee.
Well, you let me serious. Yeah, let me serious.
I don't hear me, man.
I don't. You are serious.
God bless you, man.
You want me serious? Let me see. Our serious speech. Aja. Fire.
You serious, Aja? You have to tell her loud. I can't send her a text. I chuma want the work, you know. God knows I chuma want the work. Lady, my apology.
Aloysius.
Yes, dear.
Me I got told us when I come back. I will take over the running of the shop and that's final.
No, they heard me.
Yeah.
She got told them I want to go straight. Thank you, Jesus. My friend, you can buy something from please and thank you.
Aloysius, me not buy nothing for nobody now.
No, you can't buy it for me now. You don't apologize already, so you can't buy it for you.
Oh, because you apologize.
Thanks. She have a good heart, you know, man. God know, my friend. When you come from town, stop at Dove Catch and book a flat. Come the man who want to bury you quick, you say live long enough. I'm going to say 9 days, that cabbage and crackers. You think I'm about you, the only time I go to get to the Japan man dress 69. Don't do it! Outside and bright.
Heartbeat!
Where you want rolling gas?
What kick you want to come woman face in front of me?
You are a woman of Google. You are not a boo.
look here. It says here, you are positively 99.9%.
You know say that for me. We didn't know.
Yeah.
Juki, take over the run of the business. Heartbeat! You work with Juki. Juki.
Yeah.
Fire that.
Alicia!
Yes, darling.
Come here, Stucky.
Me know the voice there. Me know the voice. Shuffle!
It's all that be on the place.
Come here to me.
Where you want Tumbleborg?
Read this.
Me have nobody affair, so you read that.
Listen to me. As of today, you're fired. Yo, come here.
May I say something? Why we got the airport to pick him right now?
My baby son waiting and she took me home.
Well, anytime your baby come to took you home again, you see? You make me know. Anything I do, I want to know that first. If I'm find A to B, me want to know that first. Even if you got piece, me want to know. Me your manager, your promoter, your producer, I want. Remember that. Alright? And then paper, give me the paper. What paper you have?
I didn't get any results. Do we affect me FIFA?
You do a DNA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good on.
This means the pops are jacket them man.
You know what? You better do one.
Yes. Most show pop this.
I know, this is for me.
No. Me and brother must have a share.
It's alright. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Which station I must go?
All of them.
Okay.
I'm pick up your father just fine.
Alright.
You let me ask you a question, you see?
Speak your mind.
Why me people do a video that much people in my video?
Me not think it's a protest, you know.
So why me in that video?
Who say you in that video? Any black that way you say are you?
Yo. Never next job for you here. That's your money. Hey yo. You see next time that video no cameraman, here? Now hear it. Between me and you. You know I tell nobody this.
Don't do that. You go like me a sponge. Me suck up and leak.
Now go on your video boy.
You get married?
Yeah.
I'm so desperate. How which one of them you get married to? Small, medium, or large?
No way boy. Just turn it, alright? Give me a Guinness then.
Me not have no Guinness.
Give me a beer.
Me not have no beer either.
Oh yeah, pleasure.
What me have to drink right now is your father eviction, otherwise known as Aloysius, there with your backup singer lady. I wonder how that little it is. That's supposed to be Jewish.
Where just say what about?
I say your father take you back. Listen to me, I mix you, mix me. Go on, me mix you.
My father live with ladies.
God no.
That's impossible. My father now took solo.
He makes you bend and touch her too.
What's happening?
Nobody don't wake up yet. So they must sleep so that they get good, man.
How are you? You have a warrant? It's something you can't keep out of people in the house.
Don't say that. I still think things in the shop, but you to sell things in the house?
You're looking something to purchase.
No, I'm love, but choose my vendors with pride.
Hey boy, what fun in the market you come out here, people them please. Come here, so you're going to argue in the dirty boy.
I can't be one woman and I saw you like an Ariel dirty guy.
How are you? Oh, are you a community?
How are you? No man, you look like somebody that should buy me this morning.
I said to you.
Everybody asks about me, is that someone not practice up here? When I'm judging now, who are you?
Let me tell you, I'm his son, okay?
Adapt it.
What?
Joking.
Yes, Papa.
Is he working in the shop?
So why did you say that long time, young man?
Heartbeat. Stick to the shop. Joking.
Yes, Papa.
Draw blood test.
Hey, Vicky. Come here. No, see my mix up. I see one girl stand and look at this man if ever anything you put in a can feel for a drunk or...
Heartbeat. See I'm blind, ear and deaf. Even though you can't talk, don't say nothing.
I don't like how the yard for you, come a claustrophobic.
Yo, Juki. Come here. How are you? No, Juki, come on.
Oh, yes, brother.
Who there?
Oh, you might work in the shop with Pops.
Pops him love you.
So Pops?
Look at that damn teeth.
Hold on. Teeth! You see me again? What is though?
Yeah, man, I tell you, I produce the business.
Yeah.
So you see blue hair girl? Blue hair girl.
You mean tear up?
She named Lady. She's a DJ. I'm a girl. When she go in and go to the competition, she named Cherry. She's a singer. I'm a girl. And she want to write a song?
Yeah.
She named Winsome.
Are you a girl?
My wife.
Oh, that's
So because I used to DJ when I was small, I want to say you could catch a little vibes and post already.
Which one? The one or the one? The one?
The other one.
Alright, watch it now. Junkie on the rebel!
Nobody worry about the vice part. Women they fix it like how they fix a munga.
Alright, watch this now. What can a man do to make you understand him? To tell Juki, oh, you're gonna love him some more. To level the vibes and second score. Juki jam, Juki jam, Juki jam.
That's all I say. Juki jam, Juki jam, Juki jam. Not more. But we don't come back because shows up different.
Alright, watch out what I do. Cherry, running at this one, you know.
No way, yeah. I'm gonna let love go away, yeah.
Girl, I wanna be with you every day. I'm making sure that you know straight. Girl, I know you're hurting all because of my flirting. I want you.
I love you.
No, man! Kinji fly, I won't wake up,
Listen to this. I've been true to you every day, so you can come my way. Then we can play. I think what's about there a while ago.
No, man! We're not bad. God, we're not bad. We're not good through a team, man. What else is that people can DJ? We're not going to do a video. I was your name.
My name is Cherry Tree. I would love to do a video.
You say your name?
Cherry Tree.
God, no, you move like the whole of your cherry them shaker. Make no fear. When I can show you off a shake up your body, kind of fear. You come. Anything we do, you do it.
DJ Kenny, wait up. Drop the song there again. Wait up. Oh, just wine for me, girl. Wine for me, girl. Wine for me.
God, no, my love, girl. I'm not nasty, man.
boy a judge him because he get on him back, you know.
Aye, you try the rest of them. You lick him, and you lick him, and you
Pass, I don't touch the boy.
What do you mean?
I'm going to tell you. Where one?
Trevor, I cannot work in this environment.
There you go, madam.
Where do?
Cherry.
You see him? Usually, yeah?
Go and beat him up first.
And you?
Go and beat him up.
It's alright. It's okay, Mr. Eviction. I realize what you're doing. You're putting stranger in front of your family. But I am Juki Jam Bruce Eviction. I was born an eviction. My blood runs all over eviction. And I will die taking licks as eviction.
Do you love me?
Do you love me now?
Do you love me, baby?
Do you want me now? Mom,
What do you do?
so do you tell me?
Me.
Alright, maybe we get the real dancehall vibes in the But,
So, Juki,
eh?
is Trevor really going to marry that girl?
I think so.
What do you mean you think so? I heard that you will be the best man.
All that. So long. So why give me a 2 weeks notice?
What you want to do? Resign effective immediately?
I don't care what you want to do.
Hey, well, they can't, you know. Work always line up for me and right now Trevor with me on a video.
What?
Thank God Trevor get married. If Trevor never get married, I don't know what me that manage, but thank God he might get married, you know?
Excuse me?
Me know you weird?
No, what was that about Trevor?
Weird. You never know such Trevor get married? Yeah, he might get married. Everybody in there knows that Trevor get married and on the internet too. Trevor marriage, www.com. Trevor!
You know that you need to find your yard?
Say it again.
Find your yard.
Say it again and go slow and listen to what you say.
Find your yard. My yard is...
Hi. Hello. What a way you beat the girl with this cheese and to say you're pretty but you can't fight. I said, God, never see you jump up and get the girl one flying kick. I say, yeah, my friend got it. Yeah.
What you doing?
Juki, relax.
Active ingredient. Relax. Hey, you know, me never help you fight, but you may never take my medication. I mean, I like fight and faint, because when I fight and faint, you know, they man with their body, man love.
Juki,
What?
are you blind? Don't you see I'm having a conversation here?
Juki, are you blind? Don't you see we're having a conversation here?
Some people, you know.
Telling you. My friend, can I ask you a question?
Sure, anything.
You still a breed?
Exactly. Why not? Answer him. Don't you have a conversation here?
Yes, heartbeat.
No, but too bad. You know what wrong with your throat one you can't swallow 2 pills? Eh? What wrong with the esophagus? Ah, if you take 2 pills and a 16 and come like Jesus, it's full of multiple choice. I wonder if I cancel them plug out.
You never done. See? She start to cry. You never see? Tears coming out her eye.
She's Argentina, but she cry for. Aye. Cherry, my call on a jubilee and them send the bed them down the book out. You look like you forgot trust one of courts. When I'm like trying to push a man from breed for when a young girl, if you wake up and see what time, that's what the girl will beat you. Lucky time there for grab up and that. Them and chat, you know.
I have a contribution.
Yes, boss.
Am I with this? How the rest of come on?
It's good. Very good.
Good. However, sure, the rest of come on.
So, Trevor,
Yes.
I heard that your wedding is all planned.
Yeah.
What are your plans for this baby and I?
Me come over discuss business or reach us.
Trevor, when we met, you told me you had no children and no girlfriend. That is how we got here.
Now, if you did the abortion, we wouldn't be here.
Wow! Wow! Oh my Lord! No! No! We are brothers. We take walks the same way.
Yes, you get back to me.
I saw that. Wow! That was a good one. You deserve it. You caused that a while ago. You are the culprit for that.
You can say, mad girl.
She's not mad.
She's not mad.
She's just upset.
Take your there.
Okay.
Move it out there. Alright.
Okay.
So now I'm mad. Now I'm mad, Trevor. Well, yes, I am mad. And you see, because I am mad, you will get somebody to sing in your pieces, you know. Because I will not be dancing to your tune anymore.
Jerry, how about food and walk on? Trevor, move. Jerry, come here.
Shut up! I don't want to hear anything from you, know. Trevor, you're very inconsiderate. But I don't need you. I can take care of myself and my child. But your day is coming, here, Trevor. Your day is coming.
Hello? Could I speak to the pharmacist, please? Yeah, man, Mr. Evie. Miss Ma. Miss Ma. You remember... Miss Ma. About the thing there. Miss Ma. Can you hear me? Yeah, man, sing them. The V, man, the V.
If I have you want to put sweet comes so far.
Good evening, Papa. Good evening. I would like to meet my new girlfriend. And when I say new, I mean brand spanking new. Just tear off the plastic.
So, Chucky,
Yeah.
you bring him on for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty on beach. Could you hear them? They got them bright like puss. So, what you know about it?
Sir, my baby has already told me that he's married.
So, what else you know about your baby?
And he's going to get a divorce. Very soon, right?
Very soon.
In I tell you, say, his wife come bossy and something so the other day.
Papa, what is wrong with you? Why are you trying to embarrass me this morning? What you want?
Jimmy, what is going on?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to be shouting behind you. Listen, I need to talk to my father. Will you just go inside the room? I never sit in that.
You don't stay long.
No, baby, I'll be right there.
What?
See?
Come to Papa. Come to Papa.
What? I know my fish that you're around with.
Juki, your fish gone in my aquarium.
Make the funny move now. I said, well, no,
Disrespect me.
make the funny move when you see me then, yeah?
Touch her. Disrespect me. Imagine, you gone wear the mask and got sky down.
What do you mean by that?
You mean put a very poor navigator.
Papa, I know I had sex on that plane, right? I'm sick and tired of hearing it over and over. Right now, they go down the house, the car, and the pick of them. Right? I was hoping that you, as a father, would have sit me down as a son.
Father, Juki. Father. I'm not your father, stepfather, nor godfather. You're a dumb chucky.
You know. Hello! You know, see me and my father talking in private.
You know, see me working in private.
Now you see what you make happen? Eh? You see what make it? You know what? I'm going to put my blood on that line. I'm willing to give that DNA sample. You going to give yours? Anytime. And what if I am your son?
Impossible. It's like mission impossible.
Okay, Mr. Meanings, it's alright. I'm going to ask you a little favor here. And my baby, her name is Habit. Can she stay here?
Of course, she can't stay. But you can't stay.
So where am I going to stay?
Me not say that. Listen, me don't want to pick my house.
But I can't afford any more kids. As a matter of fact, she don't want to pick right now. I want to tell her something even.
But now listen, just talk.
She don't have no children.
She not a picking. How you know that?
Trust me, I can look at a woman and tell them when they have no kids.
So you know I'm a pilot. You're a doctor now.
Yeah, man.
Huh? Heartbeat.
I don't mix with the dirty family, them I beg you, do me not like him so. Remember? No one like kids.
Young man, you're going to stop disrespecting this family as of today.
You talk to me? No man, check if you're on mute.
What I'm saying, yeah?
Don't do that.
Better don't do it again. Oh, I tell you. My doctor. Oh, Juki, me and my girlfriend, me and my brother. Yeah, let me check. Remember that. Oh, yes, this is you, yeah? And you have a show to the Bahamas. Huh? You have a show to the Bahamas, right? Yes. When you leave Bahamas, you come back and do some interviews. Yeah, man. About 3 interviews on the radio station, the TV station, plus with the cleaning and stuff like that. But the thing must talk to you about is that when you do the station, yeah, when you climb up on the stage and jump off the you jump off like or something, yeah? I mean, high jump. Like what, you remember Elephant Man when you used to perform? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Climb up on the box music, right? And me talking to the man girl.
This is in person.
Oh.
5-star.
Give it.
Hello?
Boom bang. Yeah, the artist there. When? Let me check. Hold on, let me check it there first. Hold on. You can do a show Mother's Day?
Yeah, I'm free.
You free?
Yeah, I'm free.
In book out.
Hello, Mr. Me free.
I'm in the man doing my doing. Yeah, this story, my man.
No. No, me I tell you, not free. Book out. Listen, you know, somebody paid them 300,000 up on it already. Send out the contract and thing. No cartel, you just say, when you send a contract, you send a contract. You can't break it. But between me and still, if you give me 500,000, you can't get him in. You need bear the date. You want to say go? No, 500. No, me do the money part and my girlfriend do the money part. I make it talk to her. No, I'm a woman, I'm a woman. Hold on. What I get him again?
Bring some shit in. Jesus, save it.
Win some, baby?
Yes, honey?
Come here, darling.
So I was putting my bottle to tell Vice Marshal to tell Wayne Marshal. So he could tell Articulate to tell
Hi! You tell him, man? No, you see, I already know the card.
But I will say
You're telling him. Tell him 150,000 US. Don't pay me.
100.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just look the deal.
Hello, that's 250,000 US, and you can make a deposit when you say that.
They might do right now. Hey, especially my Bahamas, when you buy one blue suit, I might do it. And when you be the best man. And next right there. You know a long, pinty more shoe? Yeah.
How about the boom? They can't feel the boom.
Listen. Come here. You don't need a girlfriend now. No, when you come from Bahamas, me, you, your girlfriend, and my girlfriend, the four away.
You know what? Let's say nothing more. If anything, email me.
Yeah, man, later.
Later. Yeah.
What is it doing? What?
I just got a check here for $400,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm so happy things are going on for you now.
Oh, Lord, that nice, man.
So baby, I think you should buy cakes.
Exactly.
In the bag.
You are my band.
No, stop it.
I don't know what you're used to the past now, but this relationship is not about money. It's about love. I love you.
Loving a sonnet. Man Wednesday. When you take away can if you don't enough and enough flight and you know upset my spirit.
Baby, perfect. Now, it's gonna be smooth sailing.
Baby, I can't wait.
Me neither.
Tricky,
Huh?
where's your key?
They closed Terminal 1, but we're gonna use another gate. Come here. I'm your captain. I'm gonna take you through, okay? The shop. The shop. What? No, not in the shop. Just stay right here. I'll be right back. Oh! Perfect. Terminal 2 is open.
Baby, be careful, alright?
Extra careful, just for you.
Alright.
Wife is hungry. don't know if you have any cups with them.
You know, so they don't family come here, man.
Harvey,
Yes, sir.
you don't cook yet?
No, sir.
All
Want
right.
some tea?
Yeah, give me some tea. Maybe I should go and drink.
Jesus, save
No,
you're not faster than I expect.
oh.
What are we in around with the inside?
What you doing? You hungry too?
Not even me a stab in the name from the girl.
Harvey, scarlet for the dog, I'm dirty pudding.
That's why I'm in the name pudding.
You chat too much.
I'm not chat yet, my love.
I want to hear.
What?
I want to hear. Go here, Harvey.
I wasn't fighting. I just got a call from a lawyer, and it says I'm a free man.
Hallelujah.
So I'm going to do what a free man's supposed to do.
You might leave the yard.
Come here to me. So you're going in. Come here.
That nice.
What is it, Judy?
Step up here.
People want to say.
Hey.
I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to answer me. Do you love me?
Yes, sir.
Fire! Speak the truth, you're too jumping.
Do you love me?
Sit down. Do you love him, yes or no? Skip on baby song.
Judy, you know I love you.
Oh, we are no. Put it up. No, man. Don't.
You're too fast.
Harvey, you swear fast, cars?
No, Vicky. This serious. You will become a good imp. No, man, this serious already.
I teach you a lesson.
Hey! Watch all it! God, no one feel ever there right out. What a girl feel I can boat.
I don't wish I could bring a shirt for you.
I get that vision. Don't put it on it. Fire! No fire! No cut and clear. The vision turn back to rock.
It's why I still have you, but I think you're resign.
Says who?
Mrs. Election.
No! Hey, girl, ring cheap and people are married themselves. Who you think could have want married you? Didn't you say no wife material? Eh? Look how long you live in the Pinks and Pablos, little girl. You're worse than pound clad.
Me I'm going inside and make a phone call, so you come back.
Yes, darling.
I don't want this bad case of diarrhea out here, hear me?
If me and diarrhea, you at least you flush.
Harvey! No, enough is enough. I'm going to show you who run things on it. You know, every wife got to say. You who butter?
Mr. Dixon, you're married?
Yeah. Me married. Who never married? You had a brother been married. Harvey!
Eh?
You ever married too?
Marriage gone to the dogs.
How you call dog over there? Huh?
Well, let's see how trouble I'm coming my brain though. I should have walked with my umbrella. Make sure the stone there, Kenny, and you go rough.
Judy, I am sick and tired of this. Fire him right now.
He's fired already. Don't worry.
Right now, I mean it.
Oh my. I'm only mother dog. You know you're one wicked girl, you.
Don't you call her any girl. She's a fine lady. Don't you?
No, Judy, Judy's joking like you don't mean it.
You're a woman. Let me defend you.
You don't mean it.
Hi, in down face it. It's a face to boy. You're going to apologize to her now. You know anything about her? Eh? Well, look at that down face of the boy. You know where out. You know where she comes from? Get out! Eh? She's from Reddings. You don't know her.
Where she come from?
Reddings.
Look pan her again and tell me if it's in a residential pan her. That girl that come from Queenie Park, she should take one man named Double Barrel. Him could have beat her. The amount of beat where she get, she deserve a spot for the money.
Hold on it. You know her?
God no.
There's some scars on your back. You told me you got it from a fence cut. They actually beat him?
Hey, you have scars on your back. I mean,
Mr. Election, you need to stop sleeping on around bathing.
I will see you about. Huh? What's going on here? Do you know this young man?
No, Judy, I don't know
said she's a virgin.
Oh my, you've been punked. Let me get a tale. The whole of Virgin leave jeans and bar Sharon for a jump yourself. Get over here. Out.
Make she go on, Chucky. Make she go on, come on. Chucky, take back your ring. Take off the clothes for your buy. All the food where she need, make she follow it all back. Okay.
I'm still in love with her.
Still love you what? You must be a damn jack.
She won't beat me.
I love you too. I love you too, Chucky, but there's one more thing I have to tell you, and that's it. No more secrets.
You know what?
Run, Chucky. Chucky, run. Run, Chucky. Take 2,000 highway. When you reach the door, the top. Oh, Chucky.
Mr. Eviction.
Oh, Chucky.
Vicky's ready, everybody's ready, and the rehearsal is gonna start. You need to hurry up and get ready yourself. This is not gonna work. The people want to prove of this.
Winsor,
And
is
you
that
need to close the shop now.
Winsor?
I'm having a conversation.
What the hell are you doing here?
The question is, what are you doing here?
My man lives here.
My fiance lives here.
Shut to the backside and my wife in here.
What are you talking about, fiance, Winsor, huh?
Did I stutter?
You can't even like stove to boil water, but you're talking about fiance.
And you
You
can
barely
fire
turned
eggs.
18 years old. You are still a child.
Excuse me? I was a child when you walked out on me.
You know why I left.
Don't know, don't.
You know damn well why I left. You've always been very disrespectful to me. Everything I say, you try to overrule me. You're not only ungrateful for all the things that I've done for you, but you're also a selfish little bitch. And I'm sorry for the man who gets you. Winsor, I have raised you without a father, and this is like...
If I'm a bitch and you had me, what does that make you?
Wait.
Mother bitch!
It's only talking to that.
Excuse me.
I'm not done talking to you. Winsor! Winsor, I'm not done.
I'm past. Put that. Sure. Hey, girl, where you there? Where you there?
Maybe come.
Pass on. What's your there, box?
But this is my daughter. I'm talking to my daughter.
Shit, baby, come, get up.
Winsor!
Listen, don't
Shut up!
You shut up!
Shut up! That's to my life! I said shut up! That is your poopa!
Have it! My brother.
Come here.
like father, like son. See? So we are gonna run that one here, just the same way. And here we know.
He planted some seeds that grew so wide.
Alright.
He stayed far away and knew not his child.
Hey.
He is now face to face with his own shame, losing the stakes at his own game. I don't understand, just don't understand.
Yeah.
Did you not feel my innocence then? Or saw the look on my face? This is very serious.
Yeah.
This is very serious and a big disgrace. Like father, like son, he is running wild. Never a moment to spend with his child. Like father, like son, like father, like son. Why do men always have to run?
We start the same way.
Like father, like son.
Married the same here.
Like father, like son.
Divorced the same way.
Like father, like son.
Live the same
Like
life.
father, like son.
Ajuki Jamini.
Like father, like son.
Ajuki Jamini.
Like father, like son.
Live the same
Like
life.
father, like son.
Ajuki Jamini.
Like father, like son. Like father, like son. He is running wild. Never a moment to spend with his child. Like father, like son. Like father, like son. Why do men always have to run?
Ajuki
He
Jamini.
planted some seeds that grew so wide.